अरे भाभी जी, गुड न्यूज है, हमारी सीमा प्रेग्नेंट है। हेलो भैया जी, खुशखबरी सुनी? हाँ, सीमा गोद से है। हाँ दीदी, घर आओ ना, मिठाई खिलाती हूँ। हाँ हाँ हाँ, हमारी बहू माँ बनने वाली है। अब से बहू का खाना पीना मेरे हाथ में। चल चल चल, घी खा। तू 1 से 2 हो रही है, अब डबल खाना पड़ेगा तुझे। ये पानी में मैंने आयुर्वेदिक दवाइयाँ मिलाई है, इससे बच्चा स्वस्थ होगा। चलो पी 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 पी, चल। गटक लो, गटको। अभी 5 चम्मच घी और खाना है। खाना पड़ेगा, खाना पड़ेगा।
1:15 बजे।
अभी हुआ नहीं है, अभी तेरे को
रुको रुको, लीव हर अलोन। हमें तो पता ही है कि इंडिया में सब खुद को डाइटिशियन समझ लेते हैं, बट जो मदर्स प्रेग्नेंट होके बच्चा पैदा कर चुकी है वो तो खुद को प्री एंड पोस्ट नेटल स्पेशलिस्ट ही समझ लेती हैं। हाय, आई एम निलपर्णा सेन एंड आई एम अ फिटनेस कोच एंड अ फिटनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर। इन द लास्ट 9 years I've had over 100 personal trainers under me and we have transformed over 10,000 people into becoming the best version of themselves. Since the very beginning, nutrition around pregnancy is dictated by our parents, who have all the right intentions and love for us, but unfortunately not the right knowledge to make our babies grow optimally in the healthiest way possible with the strongest immunity. अब उससे होता क्या है कि हमें advices तो भरपूर मिल जाते हैं, but we make some very big mistakes when it comes to feeding your घर की बहू और आपके परिवार का होने वाला चिराग। The most common बड़ी मिस्टेक्स में है ओवर फीडिंग द लेडी, गिविंग हर टू मच घी, रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग हर एक्टिविटी। बट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक ऑफ ऑल, नॉट ईटिंग इनफ प्रोटीन। आई थिंक हम प्रोटीन की इंपॉर्टेंस की बात कर करके थक चुके हैं। सो इफ यू हैव वॉच्ड ऑल ऑफ आवर प्रीवियस वीडियोस, यू वुड नो दैट प्रोटीन इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर स्ट्रेंथ, फॉर योर हेयर ग्रोथ, टू लुक यंगर, फील यंगर, etc. Today we'll talk about how the same amazing protein is very important for your pregnancy too. First, we all know by now that protein is the building block for all of our body cells. Similarly, it's the building block for the development of your baby too. An adequate amount of protein is extremely important in growing the baby's muscles, his hair, his fingernails, his tissues, and also, most importantly, his brain. Yeah. इससे पहले कि आप comment करें his or her, I'll just say his for the convenience of it. So when you limit your protein intake, which is हर Indian घर का usual problem, you are not just compromising your health, but your baby's health too. The role of protein is so important that it makes your baby's cells function well right from the start, and it lays a great foundation for his later development in life. अब आप ये सोचोगे कि आपके मम्मी और दादी ने तो कभी प्रोटीन शोटीन के बारे में सोचा ही नहीं और फिर भी आप ठीक ही पैदा हुए। Well, that is true, but अगर आपकी मॉम ने adequate protein intake रखा होता तो शायद आप इससे भी ज्यादा more awesome, stronger, with a better immunity पैदा होते। Now, wouldn't you want that for your kid? Only if you get married though. Second, baby के लिए protein is a must, but let's come back to you, you glowing, charming mother to be. Pregnancy can be the most beautiful, the most exciting 9 months of your life, where your body is literally a home to another human being. More specifically, your uterus is the home to another human being. Pregnancy से पहले जब आपकी कमर 26 की थी and you were in the best shape of your life, your uterus was the size of a small pear. But when you get pregnant, you say a sad goodbye to that beautiful slim waistline, and your uterus grows into the size of a watermelon to accommodate the same baby. So naturally आपको यही चाहिए होगा कि the tissues of your uterus grows well and strong so that your baby has a sturdy home to live, chill, and randomly kick in. And what helps those tissues of the uterus grow? It is what helps every other tissue in the body grow. 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream. Just kidding. Protein. कितनी बार बोलूं? थर्ड, इमेजिन आपने अपने लिए एक बड़ा सा बंगलो बना दिया है जहां आप रह रहे हो। द बंगलो इज स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड बिग इन एवरीथिंग यू ड्रीम्ड ऑफ। चिल इन योर लग्जूरियस काउच एंड देन यू रियलाइज घर में खाना ही नहीं है। Worse yet, वहाँ स्विगी भी नहीं आता। You don't ever want to be in that condition, do you? Similarly, आपके बेबी के ऑप्टिमल डेवलपमेंट के लिए उसका घर यानी कि आपका यूट्रस का स्टडी होना जरूरी है ही, बट वही घर में प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट्स का पहुंचना भी उतना ही जरूरी है। द प्लेसेंटा which is connected to the mother's uterus is what is responsible in delivering nutrients from the mother to the baby. हमें खाली यूट्रस का नहीं बल्कि प्लेसेंटा का भी हेल्दी ग्रोथ चाहिए। And what is responsible for its growth? Protein. Fourth, there are two things that you absolutely do not want during your pregnancy. The first is बीमार पड़ना and the second is सास के ताने सुनना. While I cannot help you with the second one, I can definitely tell you how to prevent the first. Having enough protein is going to help you build a strong immune system that will protect you and the baby. Because scientifically, more than your kadhas and Ayurvedic golias etc., protein is what helps you build the antibodies to fight various diseases. Fifth, every mother knows that the pregnancy does not really end in 9 months. Even after delivering the baby, your job is not done. The baby will need your milk and it will need a lot of it for the next 6 months. The amount of protein you eat in your pregnancy will actually make sure that your milk ducts and other breast tissues responsible for lactation are well developed.
हाँ मैं समझ गई, अब से प्रोटीन ही मेरा सब कुछ है, पर कितना प्रोटीन?
In this video, we have mentioned that every adult needs at least 0.8 grams per kg per day of protein. Since a pregnant woman has a lot more growth and developmental demands on her body, she needs at least 1 gram per kilogram of her body weight of protein per day. Which simply means अगर आप 70 kgs के हो, आपको 70 grams protein खाना है per day. And as you move on to your second and third trimesters, your protein demands will go up as your weight goes up. And now that I have hopefully convinced you not to make this very big mistake of having very little protein, let's move on to other mistakes people make during their pregnancy. First, Eating for 2. Just because आप अब 2 हैं, आपको 2 के लिए खाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Science shows that you only need 300 to 400 more calories than you were previously eating to maintain a healthy pregnancy. Just like underweight होना is not healthy, overweight होना during pregnancy is also not healthy. Second, घी को पानी की तरह पीना. Ghee is a great source of fat with a lot of vitamins, but extra calories are still extra calories. Having it in excess is going to harm your health. There is absolutely no need to have more than 1 tablespoon of ghee per day to maintain your health. Third, सब काम काज छोड़ के बैठे रहना. We understand that you don't want to risk your pregnancy with heavy lifting or very intense exercise. But to stop all activity, including walking and certain light exercises, one very big mistake. I hope this opens your eyes to what you really need to have a healthy pregnancy so that you and your baby could be the strongest in these crucial months.
मैम, मैंने वेट तो गेन कर लिया प्रेगनेंसी में, अब इसको कम कैसे करूं? I want to transform.
Transform? Good question. Let's make another video on this.